Hi everyone. Now Saturday afternoon. Now already I'm in the backside of Walking Street and I planning to go to Kokomas and ask about CCTV camera. If working or not working, they help me or not. And also ask police, maybe they can find maybe another CCTV camera near Kokomas. Also inside Kokomas near security guard, because guy who attacked me, he go inside to Kokomas. That's why I use camera, body camera already mount for here, and always I will use in Walking Street camera to my neck. It's already not easy to take my camera. If I can see, if someone to attack me, I can see video already. Also here CCTV camera and there also not working. There Tequila Reef. This one also, take a look, this is CCTV camera from Kokomas. If we take a tricycle or car here, they can see. So they attack me here in this place. Another, I don't know where CCTV camera. Yes, and later, yes, and with CCTV camera. Need to ask. Yeah, this is CCTV camera working or not? Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hello. Go here like Monday.
Okay.
In the morning, 8 a.m. till 2.
From 8 to 2 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay, about noon maybe, 11 maybe. Okay, thank you for information.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So guys, take a look. This camera, this one. And actually here stand. That's why I think camera can record him. Also, where is another camera? So now I will go to police station and talk with investigator first and show to him which camera need to check. I take picture now. So I go into the police station to talk with investigator. I see regular guy walking. Maybe it's regular guy. YouTuber also in Angeles City. But he not filming in the Walking Street. Before he filming a live stream, but now he don't want. Of course, who help? Who protect YouTubers here? Only YouTubers herself protect. It's a regular guy or not? I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe a regular guy. Because yeah. Hello? Regular guy.
Good man. How you doing?
They go to again police station.
I know. I saw your video 1 hour ago.
Really?
Yeah, cool, man.
Thank you.
Hey, I got the same camera.
No, it's 6.
DJI. I got DJI 5.
5 Pro. Yeah, 5 Pro, good camera also, but it's 6 model. I sold out old camera.
But I don't know 6 is available.
Available.
Where'd you get it at? The SM?
No, in DJI store, easy to buy.
There at SM.
Maybe in SM already have.
Oh, okay.
Because this camera already 1.1 sensor. Nighttime is better for video.
Oh, maybe I'm gonna get that.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That's why many people now want to buy DJI 6 because sensor you can filming vertical and horizontal with same quality. Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. Traffic here always. That's why I don't want to park near Walking Street and Fields Avenue because traffic always. Better. I park in Dow. It's not problem for me. 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers walk. I like walking. That's why in my car in safety. Safety and have CCTV camera. I know guys who work nearby. So I'm already near police station 4 and I want to ask investigator and say about CCTV camera in Kokomas because in Monday we can already check. Okay, switch off camera and talk with investigator. I already talk with investigator. And Monday 8 p.m. we will go together and check footage from Kokomas restaurant and also outside. So Monday I will check video. I hope camera working in Kokomas and I hope I can recognize guys because I already have video from live stream. In live stream have 2 guys already. But I need to see how they grab my camera and confirm it in the Kokomas restaurant. So now I will walk through Walking Street. I know you like video from Walking Street. And show to you now 5:35 p.m. I use wireless microphone, I can talk. I know you want a video more interesting, like from Walking Street. I will show to you. I see already regular guy. He sit in the restaurant, not restaurant, Phillies Sports Bar. Most of the Western people stay here and wait. Hi. Usually this time I'm not filming. Usually I go to 5 p.m. But I want to walk here because I need to talk in police station and with investigator. That's why now I walk and Walking Street. Oh, delivery San Miguel cola, drink, beer. Atlantis closed, maybe from 6 p.m. open. Rates $58.65. What is this? Sky Club working right now. Dollhouse still under renovation. I think it's long time need renovation. Yeah, long time. Two Korean bars working. Here working. He also laser to my face. He like point to the I see your camera. No, and okay, what problem? I not hide camera. If I want hide camera, I already long time before hide the camera.
Traffic doon, no?
Oh, pizza slice, someone buy. Someone buy pizza slice. 135 price. People sit here in the Kokomas. Bored. XS clothes, of course. What they do? They clean. Yeah, they clean. Monsoon clothes also. Bad boy working now. Champagne close. Banana open. I don't have tourists right now. Don't have. Only girls and who work here. This is Viking. Viking open now. I think 24 hours working. Madonna. Oh, this guy in the front, I know him. Usually he in the Fields Avenue. Yeah, Ace Bar, SS Bar. I not take wins. I not bring money now. If I need, I can pay Gcash. Because Gcash is better for me and I have only phone. In my car I have coins. Usually if I need to pay for parking, coins in my car. I not bring coins with me. No, sometimes I bring, but now I don't want. Baccarat also open. No, few bars open now. Bliss bar. Bliss. And the Red bar also open. I don't know, now Red.
Hello, sir. Red bar.
Hello, Red bar. Maybe next. White bar. Or maybe another bar name, maybe Black bar. I don't know. They change name of the bar. Every time after police check. And same people working. Same people. You take a look. Some of Filipino go to Eastern restaurant. Even Shira, night time with your family, go to Eastern restaurant. Because it's popular restaurant, it's not expensive. At night time you can eat only Walking Street open. In Barangay close most of the restaurants. You see, Eastern popular, very popular restaurant. And sometimes take a look. We wait here, we in the line. Because many people inside. Yeah, maybe people inside so many, yes. Yeah. Waiting place here. Waiting. Daytime, not so many people, of course. But evening, night time, especially in weekend. Oh, take a look. Breakfast. How much breakfast in the Western Fields? Pinoy Silok meal, 200 peso. 200 peso. Okay, but for 200 peso I can cook in my home for one day foods. and more healthy than local Filipino foods. Some of the foods is okay, some of foods is good, but some of foods oily. Of course, oily foods is not good for health. I try to not eat oily foods. Also, take a look here. Have money exchanger 1, 2 money exchanger also this side. Traffic. That's why I'm not going to Balibago. Better walk. Because I can walk more faster when I drive my car. If I use motorcycle, it's okay. But I don't want right now use motorcycle because motorcycle is. If rain, I don't want. Take a look traffic here. Mostly that way don't want to stop. So in pedestrian line we not stop. I don't know how to eat with watermelon. I remember George Georgi eating watermelon the same and he have problem. He said, I cannot, he have problem with stomach, infection, strong infection. Never buy watermelon outside, because outside, you know, it's not cold place, don't have refrigerator. I will walk in the, not in the MacArthur Highway because so noisy. I will walk in the between the barangay. I don't want noisy and not only noisy, air quality not good. Here is, this is tricycle, you can take tricycle to Market Mall. Yeah, not just only say to subscribers. So tricycle to Market Mall. Excuse me, to it's how much?
150.
150 it's a Market Mall how much?
70.
70 Market Mall. No, I just only inform to our subscribers because foreigner who go to the Philippines, so they will know. Okay, thank you. They broke house. Yeah, maybe someone already bought house and maybe yes, and they will build another house new. It's a good place because it's very close from Action walking street is Action. Take a look, so many tricycle drivers. It's this already another part of tricycles. This tricycle going to the SM Clark, Dow Terminal. No, thank you. Also we go to the, mostly Jeepney Terminal or SM Clark, this direction. But before you see tricycles go to the ETSA subdivision also, Market Mall. It's already MacArthur Highway, so I go into the Dow, walk to Dow, take a look traffic, that's why I don't want to use car. You see how they drive, the wrong line, it's normal in the Philippines. For Philippines it's normal, for me it's not. It's okay if we carefully drive slowly, but sometimes drivers faster ride in the wrong line. Oh, bakery. Before so many people in the bakery, and now already not so many. Not that people. Americano Granny coffee 50 peso. Americano 50 peso only. Granny coffee 75. Granny chocolate 75. That's why it's cheaper than in another place. Price Americano 50 peso only. Take a look, we're going to the jeepney to Mabalacat. Many passengers. Even Saturday. Friday, so many. More. Already in the bridge. And traffic, of course. Maybe I will drive to home long time. Thank you for watching. See you in next video Monday. I will try to check CCTV camera. But of course I have video, old video from Walking Street, Fields Avenue. When moderator approve, I will show to you also. But about this accident, I will show to you. I will explain and what happened in the next. I'm not sure we can find because it's already, you see, it's already gone. If ACTA barangay people stop guys this time, of course can't do process. But now maybe they already not in the Philippines. Maybe yesterday last day in the Philippines. We don't know. Even they know face, maybe they leave. But problem they not do it during accident, after accident. They not stop. Okay, thank you for watching.